Hello, friends! Today, I will make banana pancakes. Let's check the ingredients. I need 2 bananas, 1 carton of milk, 2 eggs, and 1 bag of flour. Now we are ready to cook. First, I will peel the bananas. Now, I will put the bananas into the bowl. Next, I will mash the bananas. Oh no! I mashed the bananas too hard. This banana is so yummy. Now I will add the flour. I look like a snow bunny. Now I will add the eggs. 1 egg, 2 eggs. Oh no! The eggshell fell in. Then I will pour the milk. Too much milk. Cleaning is important. Next, I will mix everything together. Now, I will cook the pancakes. Wow! It smells so good! Oh no! Silly Benny! Try to flip again. Hooray! I did it! My pancakes are ready!
Now add some banana slices and a little honey on top.
Wow! This is delicious!
So yummy! I was a little messy, but I finished my pancakes. You can make them with your mom too.